Sing Sang Tai Tai Liho. My name is Luchi, 30 years old. I'm from Cotabato City, Philippines. I'm single but I have daughter, 2 years of age, high school graduate. My hobbies are do household chores. Also a pet lover. I work as domestic helper before in Kuwait. I finished 3 years in my employer. Do household chores, cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, marketing together with mom. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to build my own house for my family and earn for our future. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, all through the town, and many more lyrics for nursery. To my future employer, Mom, Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and my actions are genuine, real, and earn fairly. I promise to be a good housemaid and prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.